What if sabihin ko sa'yo na yung iniisip mo kaya niyang maging totoo? Yes, that's the law of attraction. Kapag lagi mong sinasabi na, wala akong client, hirap akong makahanap, wala akong opportunity. Guess what? Yun din ang ibibigay sa'yo. Pero kapag sinabi mo, deserve ko ng clients, deserve ko ng success, at darating sila sa akin, mas nagiging posible siya. Affirmations are not just words. They are powerful reminders of what you want to attract. For example, every morning sabihin mo, I will become or I am a successful virtual assistant. Clients are looking for me. Abundance flow to me easily. It's like training your mind to focus on what you want, not what you fear. The more you believe, the more nagmamanifest. Ganito ngayon ang ginagawa ko sa VA journey ko. So starting today, try affirmations daily. And kung gusto mo ng more tips about manifestation and virtual assistant journey, follow the VA Life Journal. Who knows, yung dream client mo baka dumating sooner than you think. Kaya wag mong kalimutan yung tinanong ko kanina.